Today, makakasama natin ang mga gentle giants ng Thailand. Up close and personal, pero the ethical way. Hi guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Chonburi, Thailand, around 2 hours lang from Bangkok. And today, papunta tayo sa isang elephant sanctuary kung saan walang sakay, walang tricks at walang abuse. Just pure love, respect for the elephants. So first, pagdating natin dito ay papakainin tayo. Kasama na sa package yung food, masarap na pad thai and watermelon. At bibigyan din tayo ng traditional na Thai blue shirt. Ito yung suot ng mga staff para pamilyar sa elephant. Kasi yung blue t-shirt, it signs na ikaw yung magpapakain sa kanila. And blue t-shirt means friends and caretaker.
We're here now in elephant sanctuary. So let's see.
Yeah. I have to say welcome to Living Green Elephant Sanctuary over here. Yeah, Living Green Elephant Sanctuary. We're starting to do the elephant sanctuary since 2016, but we do it in Chiang Mai. You know Chiang Mai, right? Okay, up north of Thailand. Over there we have 4 camps. Every camp is big like this. 4 camps by one mountain, 1 camp like that. Okay, and we take care of it. Got my name, very easy. Just call me handsome man. Very easy. And we have another one of the tour guide over here.
Sawadika. My name is Rungvi Krai Pichayakan. Easy to call me Sexy Man Lulu. Sexy Man Lulu.
Okay, Lulu. Yeah, he's assistant veterinarian. Okay, and he have a lot of the experience with the elephant. About 15 years. He have to working with the elephant. For me, a little bit less. Only 10 years. Not long. Okay. So in the world, we have 2 of the big species of the elephant. We have Asian and African. Both of them, they are different. Okay. The size of Asian elephant is smaller than African elephant. African about 5 to 6 tons. Asian about 4 to 5 tons. They are different. Okay. On the back of African elephant is flat or bend down just a little bit. Okay. Asian elephant on the back it look like a mountain like this. Okay. That's why Asian elephant looks shorter and fat. African elephant like a flat like this. That's the shape of them. On the head also different. African elephant they have one forehead like us, like this, and they have very big ear, very big ear. Asian elephant the head bigger than African because they have 2 crown over here, and the ear smaller. That's why Dumbo, you know Dumbo, right? African or Asian? African. African big head, big ear, small head. Okay, yeah. Then go back to see that cartoon Dumbo. Okay, so yeah, maybe the new generation. Okay, new generation. So that is how it's different. And another.
After ng introduction, nag-start na tayo magpakain ng malalaking elephant. So, ang kinakain nila ay sugarcane and banana or saging na saba. Then, kapag papakainin mo sila, don't be afraid. Just go there, relax, and abot mo lang yung food nila. Yun nga lang, medyo mabilis sila kumain at parang sinisinghot lang nila yung pagkain. To be honest, natakot ako at baka mamaya ako yung kainin. Sobrang lakas nitong elepante at malalaki. Di malayong pwede nilang gawin sa akin yon. Pero sila ay trained at sanay sila sa tao. So kaya nilang di manakit ng tao. So ang rules lang, wag mo lang silang hahawakan masyado sa muka. Pwede siguro sa balikat. Kasi sino ba naman ang gustong hawakan sa muka habang kumakain, di ba? Same lang din yan ng tao. So, para makapagpa-picture ka sa kanya, bigyan mo siya ng food at pwede kang tumabi sa kanya para lang yung asawa mo. No money, no honey. Siyempre, kapag yan, may pera, may pagkain, pwede ka nang makisalamuha sa kanila. Pwede mo silang hawakan, pwede mo silang lambingin. At basta, if you have food, you're a friend. If you don't have, well, it's like your wife. So kain lang sila ng kain, no, yung mga elepante na yan. So every 2 hours tumatae rin sila. Tae rin sila ng tae. So 400 kilo ang kinakain nila sa araw-araw. So expect tumae sila ng tumae. Parang ako! Next destination, magbukas naman tayo ng beer. At pumuntahan natin tong 5-star hotel ng mga elepante. So dito makikita nyong malaya silang nakakapaglakad, malayo silang nakakakain ng damo at hindi sila nagtatrabaho dito. Hindi kagaya sa zoo na sasakyan mo sila, maggagawa ng tricks or you like nung nagwo-work sila. So dito, kumakain, tulog, relax, they are taken care of. So iba sila, hindi sila yung kagaya ng ibang elephant zoo or something. Dito ay pag pumunta sila, mapupunta lang yung pera sa food nila, shelter, and you know, this elephant can eat 400 kilo of food every day. So malaking tulong na pag pumunta kayo dito sa Elephant Sanctuary ay mapangalagaan natin sila.
For the elephant also, when they can eating like this, sometimes when they grab, have a sand at the roots. That's why they're gonna shaking first, and after that, some of the elephant you bite the sand, bite the roots, and then take the food out, take the roots away, and then eating.
So total of elephants nila ay 7. So I hope meron pa sila madagdagan at puro sila babae dito. At wala sila lalaking elepante kasi nga puro babae. Ayan, so makikita nyo sila, umaakyat sila sa bundok. Mas okay kaysa sa patag na zoo kasi dito na-exercise sila at nagagamit nila yung kanilang mga muscles. So makikita nyo puro buhangin yung likod nila, no? So ginagawa nila yung buhangin na sand block. So pinalagyan nila ng buhangin. Sila mismo naglalagay niyan sa likod nila para ma-prevent sila from heat stroke. Kasi walang sweat glands ang elephant. Sa kuko sila pinagpapawisan. Kaya pag mainit, pumupunta sila sa dagat or sapa. So masarap ang buhay ng mga elepante dito. Kain, tulog, tae, ligo. Tangina. Sana all!
Poop is here. Because if they cannot poop more than 24 hours, it's already dangerous for them. And first they're gonna get swollen. Because why? Because if today you eat 400 kilograms, and the process in the stomach is about 24 hours, and then tomorrow you eat another 400, which means totally 800. But if you cannot poop, then if they are ferment in the stomach, gonna get gas, right? When they get gas, the swollen stomach ache, cannot breathing like that.
So ang lengguwahe pala ng elepante dito ay Thai, no? So nakakaintindi sila ng Thai. Kaya kinakausap talaga nila yung elepante. So matatalino ang mga elepante dito, no? Sinabi niyan, freeze! May magpapapicture, ayan, huminto. So, yan. Napakagaling, napakatalino, at napakalaki ng mga hayop na elepante na to na sobrang cute. Next spot is paliguan natin sila. So, dyan sa pond na yan, malaya ka makakapag-swimming dyan. Pwede mo silang paliguan. Basta doon ka lang sa may harap nila at baka maapakan yung paa mo or mabagsakan ka ng tae. Kaya ganyan. So yan, nakita nyo naliligo sila. At yan, you can join them. You can put shower on them. They are happily, you know, do whatever they want. So it's a wonderful experience with the elephant. Very big, gentle giant of Thailand. So pwede kayo pumunta dito. Mag-book kayo. Ang price is 2,000 baht per person. So include na dyan yung travel, Susunduin kayo sa
You need
hotel nyo, food, and more than half day of elephant tour in sanctuary. No. Sige.
ต้นมันเคี้ยวแตกนะเนี่ยอันตรายเนี่ยปอกเปลือกก่อนแล้วก็เหยียบตอกหมดแล้วเนี่ย
It's amazing experience. Nakakawala ng problema, nakakawala ng stress. Punta kayo rito, ma-refresh kayo, ma-reset kayo sa buhay nyo. So, till the next episode of Coach Job Daily, maraming salamat sa pagsuporta. Paki-like, share, and subscribe naman. Thank you so much, and God bless.